Stretch it as wide as you can. Stretch it above your head and keep your eyes on Jesus. Don't look to the left, don't look to the right. Keep it on your Father Jesus. For the glory of the Lord is in this room right now. Keep it on Jesus and begin to pray in the Spirit as loud as you can, loud as you can, loud as you can, loud as. Come on, let it flow out of your belly. Come on, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Let it rise. Let it rise. I see the morning. I see the morning. Exalted. Come on, sing of the word of the people of the earth. I see. Oh, you all have mouths. Open it. For my eyes, the Lamb upon the throne, who reigns forevermore. Stay on one. Say one more time. I see the Lord. Sing now. I see. Yes, exalted. Come on, you all can sound louder. Come on. Oh, I see the Lord. Oh, I see. Yes, for my eyes. For my eyes see. Yes. The Lamb on the throne, who reigns forevermore. I have no idea what you're looking at, but please take your gaze away from me and keep it on Jesus. All eyes closed in this room. Yes. Can you just be silent a little bit? Yes. Just keep your eyes on Jesus. Yes. Who is the like you? Oh Lord, you created us in your likeness. Who is the? I hope you have your eyes on him. What an honor just to stand and worship you. We lift our hands to the great I was and who is and is to come. We lift our Who can come? Yes, keep your eyes on Jesus. Who can come? Our Father in heaven, how we love you. We lift your name in all the earth. You've never been here before. May your kingdom be established in our praises as your people declare your mighty word. All the voices, blessed be the Lord God Almighty, who was and is to come. Blessed be the Lord God Almighty, who reigns, one more time, lift your hands above your head. Blessed, blessed be. Who was and is to come. Blessed be the Lord, oh God, Almighty, who reigns. Who reigns. He reigns forever, forever and ever. Be magnified, oh Lord. Lift your hands above your head. Oh, you are highly exalted, and there is nothing you can do. Oh Lord, my eyes are on you. Be magnified, oh Lord, be magnified. Now just the voice is be magnified. Say, be magnified, oh Lord. You are what's days. You can do, oh Lord. Keep your eyes on him. My eyes are on you. Be magnified, oh Lord. Be magnified, oh Lord. Be Elohim Adonai. We're about to go deeper. Lift your hands. I see the glory of the Lord all around this room. I see the glory of the Lord all around. Let it fall. Yeah, let it fall. What are you looking at? Keep your eyes on Jesus. Come on, don't look at me. What is your gaze? What is your focus? Keep it on Jesus. Oh, keep it on Jesus. Let it fall. And as the river flows, it begins to bring every dead thing to life. It's the life-giving river. Let it flow right here, right now. As the river flows, he begins to bring. Hey, it's the life-giving river. We'll let it flow right here, right now. Out of my belly shall flow rivers of living water. Yeah. Open your mouth, it is flowing out of your belly. Lift your hands, lift your hands. It is living water. It's rising, it's rising, it is rising, it is rising. Yeah. Out of my Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Oh, lead me, and I will follow you. Lead me, and I will go. Open your mouth, say, lead me, Lord. And I will follow you. And I will go. I will. Jesus, lead. And I will go, 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 go. I will go, I will go. I come in the volume of the book. It is written about me to do your will, Jesus. Before I was formed in my mother's womb, it is written concerning me. Yeah. There is prophecy over me. It is written about me. Let me hear you say, oh, about me. On him, I'll fall, no matter. Yes. I will follow.